Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RGH3 101. And in today's video, we're going to cover something that's been happening, and a lot of people may notice it, and a lot of people may not notice it. So it's all about title updates. Normally, you would go on a game, you'll press the Y button, and you will go down to title updates. You press your RB and you press A to try to download title update. And at some point, it will always fail when you do so. And I'm not quite sure what the reason is. Could be something with Aurora or something new on the back end. But they have put certain things in place in order to fix this issue. So we're going to go down to script and we're going to go into Aurora and go down to utilities, and we're going to look for the title downloader by Swizzy. And this is, I would say, a way to get title updates for your games. So let's go and let's install that and click yes and replace whatever that's already there. And we're going to go back out and we'll have that. So how you know you have the correct one? It has a green icon. And what we will do, we actually click on that. And we were trying to get DLC for BioShock. So let's select that game. And we were trying to get update 1. But let's go to update 4 because that's the latest one. And let's click on that and you select yes, and it will actually fetch it and put in the correct location once you select the location where your games are actually installed. And you can press yes to refresh Aurora. And then once your console actually reloads and you go back into whatever game you were trying to get the DLC for, and you press Y, and then I should say title update, and you go down for that, and there you'll see a title update, which is version 4. You just need to press A and enable that. If you're into an issue where you acquire a title update or DLC, and if something is not working the way it should, there is an application. I'm not quite sure it's on this console. Here it is. So you have XM360 that you can use to repair title updates and also unlock DLCs. Less likely you'll have that issue, but if by some other means you get your title updates or DLCs from off the interweb and you transfer to your console and you're still not showing up, you can use this application to actually do a scan on the title updates on your DLCs, and you can do a unlock process. So let's launch that up and you'll see how it actually look. So it does take a while to load, probably 10 to 15 seconds, but it does come up. And once it opens up, you'll do a scan. That's the first thing you'll do. And once you complete a scan, so scan all, and need to go to your old library and to scan both title updates and DLCs. And if you have Xbox Live games on your console that you transfer, you can make sure that they're unlocked. You can show DLCs and need to show all the DLC on your console. If you recently transferred DLCs and they're not working, you can go into unlock DLC process. I already have all of mine unlocked, so I'll get 0 right there. You can actually go back up and you can go to title updates. And this will show all title updates on your console and so on. Okay, so you can't exactly repair title updates, but you can do with DLCs. Okay, so my correction where that stands. Yeah, but it's a useful app for most DLCs. So let's go back to our dash. and that will do it for any DLC that you want to unlock. What are some that yeah, that's all you download title updates now. So apparently the normal way in Aurora doesn't work anymore. And using that script, that's all you actually do it. So again, if you go into another game that have title updates, this one have up to version 7. I have none installed. And if I go to the script, go down, select the script, and we're going to look for Bioshock Infinite. There you go. And we can get the 7th one. Select yes. Select where the game is installed. And it will download the DLC. Now, if you're running a bad avatar and in one of those soft mod, and your games are located on your USB, you will see the USB option comes up like USB 0 or so forth, and that's the media you will choose where your title update should be downloaded because that's where your games are. But yeah, so all right, and then press yes. And if you go back into our Bioshock Infinite, you will see that our title update is there. Just have to press A to enable, and there you go. And one of the benefits of doing your title update, if you have trainer on your console, so if they do require us the latest title update to be installed for your trainer to actually work to get cheat codes on your single player campaigns. All right, so that will be it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.